For decades, Antarctica has been treated as one of Earth's final untouched frontiers, a place of white silence, brutal cold, and secrets frozen in time. But beneath the miles of ice, hidden far from human eyes, strange anomalies have begun to appear. Satellite scans, thermal signatures, geometric patterns too perfect to be natural. Rumors spread through scientific communities and defense agencies alike. Could there be something buried under the ice? Something ancient? This story begins with a satellite pass in 2001 that detected rectangular structures nearly 2 miles beneath the surface. At first, experts brushed it off as noise, but then more data appeared, and what they found triggered one of the most quietly debated investigations in modern history. The structures didn't match any known natural formations. Straight lines, sharp angles, perfect 90-degree intersections. Geologists argued that only intelligent design could create shapes like these. Soon, a small classified research team was deployed. They drilled deep into the ice, expecting to find sediment or maybe just frozen rock. But at one point, 7 miles down, their instruments hit something smooth, metallic, and, well, impossible. A wall, not carved by erosion, not shaped by nature. A constructed surface, hidden beneath a continent humans have barely touched. This is where the story shifts, you know, from scientific curiosity to global secrecy. Within just a few weeks, access to the zone was restricted. Satellite imagery was scrubbed. Even civilian aircraft were rerouted. Researchers who had studied the anomaly suddenly stopped commenting. Some resigned. So, a leaked document referenced something called Structure B13, describing it as a buried architectural complex of non-human origin. Was it a city? A vault? Maybe a remnant of a lost civilization from Earth's distant past? Or, something else entirely? Something older than humanity? Core samples taken from around the structure date back millions of years, long before humans existed. Ground-penetrating scans revealed chambers, tunnels, and, well, something massive at the center. A power source? A monument? Or maybe a machine just waiting to awaken? Researchers reported faint energy readings vibrating through their instruments. Rhythmic, pulsing, almost alive. Was this city abandoned, or merely dormant? Scientists who have since spoken anonymously say the structure resembles no civilization known on Earth. Some believe Antarctica once sat in a tropical region millions of years ago, possibly home to an advanced, forgotten society lost to time. Others suggest extraterrestrial involvement. Whatever the truth is, the discovery beneath Antarctica challenges everything we think we know about our planet, and authorities are still silent. So we're left with one question: what waits beneath the ice, and why are we not allowed to see it? Antarctica, a vast white wilderness at the bottom of our world, coldest, driest, highest. For centuries, it was a blank space on our maps, filled with myth and imagination. Today we see endless ice, but beneath it, secrets have been kept for millennia. The idea of a hidden world, even a lost city, has captivated explorers for generations. This land's extreme beauty and danger preserve its mysteries. The ice acts as a time capsule, locking away the history of our planet. What if that history includes more than just rock and ancient air? Ancient maps sometimes show Antarctica without ice, sparking questions about lost civilizations. Could settlements have been swallowed by glaciers? This question drives exploration to the edge of the world. Our journey begins not on the surface, but deep below, through layers of ancient ice. We'll explore the tools that let us see the unseen, and the discoveries changing how we think about this frozen continent. The story of what lies under the ice is just beginning. It's hard to imagine Antarctica as anything but frozen, but it was once lush and green. 50 million years ago, it was part of Gondwana, covered in rainforests and teeming with life. Fossils reveal ancient trees and small mammals that thrived here. Around 34 million years ago, the climate cooled and Antarctica drifted to the South Pole. Glaciers formed, slowly merging into a massive ice sheet over millions of years. The world beneath was locked away, preserved in a deep freeze. This ice sheet is dynamic, flowing like frozen rivers toward the coast. In places, the ice is over 4 kilometers thick, pushing the land below sea level. For millions of years, this buried world remained hidden, shielded from change. No human eye had seen the landscape beneath until modern technology arrived. The story of ancient Antarctica was sealed shut, until now. New tools have finally let us peek inside and read its long-lost chapters. The ice kept its secrets well, but our curiosity is unlocking them. Humanity is finally beginning to uncover Antarctica's hidden past. How do we see beneath kilometers of ice? Technology is the key. Ice-penetrating radar, flown in special planes, sends radio waves through the ice, bouncing back from rock or water below. This creates maps of hidden mountains and valleys, some as tall as the Alps. Satellites add another layer, measuring gravity and magnetism to reveal the composition of the land. Denser rocks mean stronger gravity. Deep basins mean weaker. Combining radar and satellite data, scientists identify intriguing features, flat areas hinting at hidden lakes or strange magnetic signals. These tools have transformed our understanding of Antarctica. We're no longer staring at a white desert, but exploring a new continent, one layer at a time. Each discovery brings us closer to the secrets locked beneath the ice. The invisible world below is finally coming into focus. One of the most astonishing finds was Lake Vostok, a vast body of liquid water nearly 4 kilometers beneath the ice. Sealed off for at least 15 million years, it's as large as Lake Ontario. How does water stay liquid here? The ice insulates, geothermal heat warms, and immense pressure lowers the freezing point. Hundreds of subglacial lakes like Vostok may exist, forming hidden aquatic worlds. Scientists wondered, could life survive here? Drilling carefully, a Russian team reached the lake in 2012. The samples revealed traces of bacteria, some familiar, some entirely new. Life, it seems, can thrive even in the most extreme environments on Earth. Radar maps have revealed more than lakes. They show fossilized river systems, the ghostly traces of ancient waterways. These rivers once carved valleys and deltas across a green Antarctica. It's a snapshot of a lost world, preserved beneath the ice. In exposed areas, paleontologists have found dinosaur bones and fossils of giant marine reptiles. Plant fossils, beech trees, conifers, ferns, are so well preserved you can see their cells. Studying these remains reveals the climate and atmosphere of ancient Antarctica. Each fossil and radar image adds to the puzzle of the continent's history. Antarctica was once dynamic and alive, not a static block of ice. The world we see today is just a fleeting moment in geological time. These discoveries remind us that even the most desolate places have a rich past. Antarctica's buried world is slowly coming back into the light. Technology has revealed features that defy easy explanation. Anomalies. The Wilkes Land anomaly is a massive gravitational disturbance, possibly a giant impact crater from a catastrophic asteroid strike. If true, it's twice the size of the Chicxulub crater that ended the dinosaurs. Elsewhere, strange magnetic anomalies show sharp lines and right angles, patterns rarely found in nature. Some suggest rare crystal formations, Others wonder about artificial structures. These anomalies blur the line between science and myth. They fuel speculation about what might be hidden beneath the ice. Antarctica's mysteries remain tantalizing and unresolved. The legend of a lost city in Antarctica has persisted for centuries. The Piri Reis map of 1513 appears to show an ice-free Antarctic coast, sparking theories of ancient civilizations. Mainstream science disputes this, citing inaccuracies and lack of evidence. Yet modern anomalies, square shapes, strange signals, keep the legend alive. Could these be ruins or just natural oddities? Science demands proof. For now, the lost city remains a captivating story, blending fact and imagination. Until every inch is explored, the legend endures. Exploring Antarctica is one of humanity's greatest challenges. Temperatures plunge below -80 degrees. Survival requires specialized gear. Equipment fails, fuel freezes, and just staying alive is a battle. There are no roads, only tracked vehicles and ski-equipped planes. Research stations are more isolated than the International Space Station. In winter, they're completely cut off. Self-sufficiency is vital. Drilling through kilometers of ice is slow and risky. The biggest concern, contaminating pristine environments like subglacial lakes. Strict sterilization is essential, making every step complex. Progress is slow, every discovery is hard-won. We can't simply dig or send submarines. Each move requires extreme care. The ice preserves secrets, but also fiercely guards them. Every attempt to uncover Antarctica's mysteries is a true adventure. Antarctica remains Earth's last great wilderness. Despite our technology, we've only scratched the surface of its secrets. Vast areas remain unmapped. Only a few sites have been drilled. What we've found, mountain ranges, hidden lakes, ancient life, has changed our view of this frozen land. It's a place of hidden dynamism and vital clues about our planet's past and future. Life in its subglacial lakes could reshape our understanding of where life can exist. The line between fact and legend continues to fascinate. Perhaps one day, a new discovery will shatter our expectations. The search for truth is a journey, not a destination. Antarctica's greatest secrets remain, inviting us to keep exploring and never stop wondering what lies beneath.
Is this content?